Restaurant style chili chicken that's crispy, juicy, and packed with flavors. Let's make it. Start by cutting boneless chicken into bite sized cubes. Here I'm using chicken breast. You could also use chicken thighs. Transfer the chicken into a bowl. Add half an egg, salt to taste, a pinch of MSG, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of cornflour, and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix well. This marinade will create a thin, crispy crust on the chicken, which will help to coat the sauce and keep the chicken moist. While the chicken is resting, we'll chop our vegetables. First, start with a capsicum. Cut into cubes. Remove the white part from the inside, which gives a bitter taste. You could also use bell peppers for some color. Next, 1 whole onion. Cut it into quarters and separate the petals. This step will give you a restaurant style texture. Now the trinity of Chinese cooking. Chop some green chillies. First some big pieces and then some finely chopped. Next, a 2-inch size ginger, which is peeled. We'll chop it fine. Followed by some garlic. And finally, some spring onions for garnish. Once all our vegetables are ready, we'll fry the chicken. Check the oil if it's hot, and then add your chicken. Add your chicken and fry on medium-high heat. The chicken will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Once your chicken is light and golden, remove and keep it aside. Do not over fry the chicken or it will turn dry. In a hot wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil, followed by some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. Saute for a minute and add green chilies as per your taste. Saute and add onion petals. Toss it and cook it for around a minute, and then add your bell peppers Saute on high heat. Add 100 ml of chicken stock and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Add the fried chicken and a quick toss on a high heat. Check for seasoning if required. Add some cornstarch slurry, some spring onion whites, a quick toss, and our chili chicken is ready to be served. Plate it and garnish with some spring onion greens and enjoy it with some chicken fried rice or chicken hakka noodles. And there you have it, restaurant style chili chicken at home. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Reels to Meal. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.